Hi everybody, in this video I want to share with you a recipe for dry skin which you can make only from egg yolk and carrot. There's two ways to make this mask. You can use mashed carrot which was steamed mashed carrot, and you just need 1 tablespoon and half of egg yolk. Half of egg yolk will be enough. Or you can just squeeze 1 tablespoon of carrot juice, fresh carrot juice or steamed carrot juice. You can use fresh because you're mixing it with the egg and it's okay. And so let me show you. And the egg yolk, as I told you in many other videos, the egg yolk is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. Carrot, you can use it for dry skin by itself, but because carrot it's not enough for dry skin, you have to add some more moisturizers to the face mask. Like for example, egg yolk moisturize skin very good. You just can use egg yolk without anything to apply on your face. So, and I already mashed the carrot, and so I can save the video time, and I separate the egg yolk, and here's the half of egg yolk. It's not much, so I used to have big egg. So here we're gonna put here tablespoon of carrot, but as you see, this mask is not going to be hard. So you can put here tablespoon of juice of carrot or mashed carrot by itself. And this mask is not heavy. So what to do with this? This mask you can apply just dipping your finger and apply thin level of this mask, but you need to mix it good, make it like one mask. Or you can put one finger and apply it on your face, and you can keep applying this mask many times during 15 minutes after, if you feel that your skin getting dry, because egg yolk helps to dry on the skin fast, like the egg white, the same. So you can just keep applying this mask many times on your face skin during 10-15 minutes, and then just you can wash it away with warm water, and then after that with cool water, which will help to close the pores and tighten the skin. But also you can take just any pads, the cotton pads you use to remove the makeup. You can dip it there and wipe your skin with this. It's very good, and it's gonna be like all what extras the cotton pads will absorb, right? So the rest if you push a little bit on cotton pads on your face, it just will give the juice back to your skin. So it's easier. And if you're afraid that you can have drops of carrot, because it has stuff which can paint the clothes, right? It's orange. And you can do this mask while you're in the bathroom in the evening, when before you go to sleep. It's good. It's very nice before you go to sleep. It's excellent. While you sleep, your skin gonna getting all power back again, and after all this mask, the skin will be moisturized and take a rest. So when you apply this mask, don't only apply for face skin, also apply it for neck skin, because neck skin gets older faster than the face skin. So you have to take care of the neck too. You don't want to have beautiful face and getting old and neck, which was not taken care of. So always take care of both of them. It's very easy, natural, and it's affordable. It's very cheap, right? It's cheaper than buy any cream. Just the only thing you need to do, or squeeze a little bit, like tablespoon of carrot juice, or just mashed tablespoon of carrot. You can also use boiled carrot, but because the difference between boiled and steamed carrot, because boiled carrot while boiling gives all the vitamins to the water, and steamed carrot does not contact not to water, not to oil, so all the vitamins are inside. And it's very good. And also carrot has renewed the skin and has a lot of vitamins like A, B, D, and C, and E, and because not D, the C, I mean, and vitamin C not that much like in lemon, but lemon, not that, but it has vitamin C, and will deliver you everything what it has during the mask. It also has magnesium, potassium, zinc, cobalt, and iodine, phosphorus, the carrot I mean. So if you think it's carrot has nothing, no, it has a lot of things. And do something for yourself and do mask. It's affordable for dry skin anytime of the year. Thank you for watching this video. I think I said everything what I want to say, and watch my other videos. Thank you.